Have you heard the term affiliate marketing before and you're either confused or intrigued or both and you want answers? This is the video for you. Today, I'm going to tell you how to really get started with affiliate marketing, what it really is, and how anybody can do it and incorporate it into any type of business, any type of content creation, and any type of market. Let's go. Hey, howdy, hey! If you are brand new here, my name's Jessica Stansberry, and I am Yo Girl if you are looking for the tools and the tips and the tricks to live a better life. Because I fully believe that we shouldn't dread Mondays, and we shouldn't hate the work we do, and we shouldn't hate the life we have. So if you're looking for those kind of tools, tips, and tricks, definitely hit subscribe. I have a lot of business development, a lot of personal development, and this is the hub for it all. So definitely hit the big red subscribe button below. If you have landed here because you are wondering what in the world affiliate marketing is, let me just tell you the quick little tiny Cliff Notes version of what that is before we get into how to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, I actually have a couple other videos along the lines of affiliate marketing and what to do with that and how to get started and a beginner's guide and all the things. So I will link those below in the description, and they'll be popping across the screen throughout this video as well when I kind of mention things about them. So essentially, with affiliate marketing, what it is, all it is getting paid to share products or services with other people. So what happens here is that, a company may be really awesome, but maybe subject A hasn't ever heard of company X. They haven't ever been exposed to them, and they would love them and they would be really helpful for them, but they've never heard of them before. And maybe subject A follows you on Instagram and you are the reason they find company X. Because of that, company X is going to reward you with payment for exposing them to subject A. Right? So essentially, it's just a way to get paid for telling people about the things you love already anyway. And I think that is the coolest thing in the world. I love that this is a thing in the day we live in. I love that in late 2019, early 2020, whatever time you're watching this, that this is a thing we can do. And that it's something that anybody can do with any market, with any business, with any kind of objective. Even if you are someone who is maybe, a stay-at-home mom who's just looking to make a little extra money here and there, you could easily be an affiliate for products that you love that you could tell all your other mom friends about. So different affiliate programs pay out different commissions. Different affiliate programs have different kind of basis for how they pay things and what kind of payment system they use and percentage and fee and all the things. There are some affiliates that are recurring. There's some that are one-off. It really just depends on what you're being an affiliate for. But literally anybody in any industry, in any niche, with any kind of passion for telling people about things can be an affiliate and make some money. So before I really hop into how to get started with affiliate marketing, I have created a really cool guide for you that's going to help you figure out and navigate around how this fits into your business or your life or the content that you create and how to really make the most of it. So what I want you to do is go to jessicastansberry.com/affiliate marketing 2020, and that will get you a free download of this awesome guide that will help you kind of figure all this out. So that's jessicastansberry.com/affiliate marketing 2020. I'll link that below in the description and above in a pop-up box, and hopefully that will be really helpful for you. So I've got 3 really quick tips on how to get started because affiliate marketing is not hard. Let me say that again. Affiliate marketing is not hard. You just have to know who you need to get in front of, and you have to be conscious of sharing the right things with the right people at the right time. That's really the magic formula with affiliate marketing. You could never show your face, but be the #1 ranking blog post for a key term and make crazy money as an affiliate. You could create an entire blog that is about one specific niche thing that people will find if they Google it or look it up on YouTube or whatever, and never ever even like tell anybody about it and still make money there. You could also be someone like me who shares things on YouTube, shares on Instagram, shares on all the places, and I can share links and affiliate relationships with my audience. You can be someone who just really likes to share the Amazon things you purchase with your personal Facebook friends. I promise it's not hard. It's just sharing the right things with the right people at the right time, okay? And also not diving in deep with affiliate marketing in an already super concentrated or saturated, I guess, niche. So let me tell you a quick story about this. I used to host a podcast co-host a podcast called All Up in Your Lady Business. It was amazing, and we talked about business strategies, tips, and tricks with my co-host every week, and then also with guests. And we have since shut down that podcast, and I do have a new one. So if you're new here, go listen to the podcast called Grit. I will also link it below. GRIT. It's also business and personal development, and will provide you all the tools you need in addition to this YouTube channel. But when I co-hosted that podcast, we had kind of just gotten started, and one of our biggest goals was to make at least a couple $100s a month from sponsors on the podcast so that we could farm out the editing for the podcast, because at the time I was doing all the editing and it was taking up a lot of my time and it was driving me bananas. So our big goal was to just make enough to be able to pay someone to edit the podcast, okay? Well, we also had kind of a small audience. We didn't have a ton of people listening to the podcast. I don't remember now what our numbers were, but I know they weren't like huge, amazing podcasting numbers. And so we started kind of looking around at our options as to what to do. And we started sharing about ConvertKit. And ConvertKit is still a company I'm an affiliate for today. I love them so very much. If you want a free month of them, I'll put it below. They are an email marketing system. But we started sharing about ConvertKit on the podcast. And in conjunction with their affiliate program for podcasters, which was essentially you could give your listeners a month for free, and then you get a consistent percentage of their membership every single month. And it's pretty decent. I can't remember the percentage, but it's up there. It's not like 1%. It's definitely more than that. So we were like, okay, yeah, let's do this. And what happened was we were one of the very first podcasts to be able to put this on our ad roll and really promote them. So we rose really quickly to one of their top 25 affiliates. We spoke at their conference, and we did all that with a really small audience. And then people would come behind us and try and use ConvertKit as a sponsor on their podcast with bigger numbers than us or whatever, and not be able to do it as well because now it was kind of a saturated market. We had done it kind of first, and then some other podcasts came in. Everybody was kind of signing up for ConvertKit for free. And so these new podcasts couldn't really make a lot of traction there. That doesn't mean you can't. I just am saying like there's an example of kind of an oversaturated one sponsor on all the podcasts kind of thing, and we were all in the same niche, and so it became harder and harder for people to use them as an affiliate. Okay, so I've got 3 tips for you today if you are looking to get started in affiliate marketing. 1, I want you to find products, companies, services, softwares, whatever you're looking to affiliate for that you already love. This is something that I think people miss, is they think they need to go after like the big dogs, or they need to go after some company they've heard of or heard other people promoting. But really the magic is in the fact that you really do love a company and you really do want to share about them. So I still to this day turn down 80% of the affiliate relationships that are pitched to me, or sponsorship relationships that are pitched to me, because they're not products or services that I currently use or love. So I am very picky with who I use as an affiliate, but anytime I'm loving a product, or I'm wanting to share about a product or service or software or whatever, I immediately kind of go see if they have an affiliate program, because they're already things that I love, and it's going to be really easy for me to promote them and for me to tell people about them because I love them already, right? So think about the things you already love. Do you love the jeans you bought at American Eagle? Do you love the blue light blocking glasses you got from Amazon? Do you love the software you use to do your bookkeeping? think about the things you already use and love and become an affiliate for them. And 1A there, a lot of people ask kind of how to get into their affiliate programs. A lot of these companies and services and products will have a link to apply for their affiliate program straight on their website. So if you scroll down, or if you do a search within their website, you'll be able to find that. But if you don't see that, just reach out to them specifically. Send them an email. Say, hey, do you have an affiliate program? And if they do, they'll tell you about it. If they don't, they'll tell you about it. And if they do, but you don't qualify, you can work that out. So just know that it's not as hard as it looks, and you just need to just ask, basically. Okay, the second thing you need to do to really get started with affiliate marketing is to create content that shares the thing. This can be SEO driven content, like I mentioned a minute ago, where you are doing blog posts where people are just finding you through SEO things and are then clicking over from your links. This can be, and that can also apply to YouTube. So maybe you create some YouTube videos on your channel that are really going to do well in the SEO formula and algorithm, and people are going to search for things and find you, and you can link to your affiliate relationships from there. This can also be the content you're creating on Instagram or on Facebook or in your email newsletter or whatever that looks like for you. You can just create content that shares the thing that you love and shares your links. So, it's one thing to be an affiliate for a company. It's a complete other thing to actually tell people what an amazing company they are, right? There's actually been plenty of times I've signed up to be an affiliate. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, I love them. I've signed up to be an affiliate, and then the affiliate process takes a while or whatever. And I completely forget that I'm an affiliate for this thing and could have been creating content around it. So just make sure you're creating some type of content that is sharing those things you love that you can now make money with the world. Okay? And then the third thing is to drive traffic to your links. So put them everywhere. I have all my affiliate links to my major affiliate partners on all of the descriptions of my YouTube videos. I have affiliate links for appropriate things embedded like on Pinterest. I have links to the things that I talk about that I affiliate for in the link tree thing on my Instagram. I link to my video equipment in every single video that I do. But make it really easy for people to find those links for you. I actually had someone reach out today at the time that I'm filming this and say, hey, I know you've been talking about getting a free month of Audible on your podcast, but I can't find the link. I heard it, but now I don't remember it and I can't find it and I don't see it in your bio. I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, let me put that in the bio, first of all. Second of all, here's the link. People will reach out to you. They want to support you. And so if you'll do your job of making sure the links are out there where you can drive traffic to them, the affiliate marketing piece will be much easier. So again, not hard, not rocket science, super easy. Those are the first three things you need to do to get started. You need to find companies that you can actually work with, apply for them, partner with them, whatever, create content that shares them, and then make your links really easy to find. And if you will treat this like an arm of your business or an arm of how you make money, it will be much easier too, because then you'll be able to strategize and say like, oh, I'm going to do this thing or I'm going to do that thing specifically to sell more of this. And let me just say with a quick little PS here, it doesn't have to be you don't have to be an affiliate for a bunch of small things. Affiliate relationships reach out as far as like big programs that you've purchased or big things that you have bought. If you are in the digital marketing world, Amy Porterfield every year is a big time affiliate for Marie Forleo's B-School, and Marie Forleo pays Amy $1,000 for every one of her courses she sells. That's not the only example. There are tons of courses you've probably purchased or things you've probably purchased that have a higher ticket price that will give you more affiliate income, and you could even like build a whole launch around them or build an entire like bank of content around them or whatever. But it's not hard, I promise. And if you are wanting more information, if you're really wanting the nitty-gritty on how to get started, what it looks like, how you need to start approaching these people and looking for affiliate marketing, I've got the big time guide for you for free. All you have to do is go to jessicastansberry.com/affiliate marketing 2020. jessicastansberry.com/affiliate marketing 2020. The last little bit is actual numbers, not spelled out. So until next time, go download that guide. And if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, leave them here in the comments below. That way I can answer them and, squash any fears you have or whatever. And then make sure you hit subscribe if you're new here, because I don't want you to miss any other tips and tricks every single week with moi. Bye, y'all.